In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect your Google Drive from ransomware with some straightforward security measures. These steps are essential for keeping your files safe and sound, so let's dive right in. First and foremost, you'll want to enable two-step verification on your Google account. This additional layer of security is crucial in safeguarding your account from unauthorized access, especially if someone manages to get hold of your password. Head over to your Google account security settings. Once you're there, you'll find the option to turn on two-step verification. You can choose from several methods, such as using the Google Authenticator app, receiving an SMS code, or utilizing hardware keys. By enabling this feature, you're creating a formidable barrier that makes it significantly harder for hackers to break into your Google Drive. Next, take advantage of Google Drive's built-in version history tool. This is an invaluable feature that can save you a lot of trouble if your files ever fall victim to ransomware attacks, which typically encrypt or corrupt them. To access this, simply right-click on the file you're interested in and select Version History, then click on See Version History. This gives you the ability to view and restore previous versions of your files, essentially turning back time to retrieve uncorrupted data. Another line of defense is leveraging Google Drive's trash and recovery system. It's important to know that when you delete or replace files in Google Drive, they're not gone forever, at least not immediately. These files are moved to the trash, where they're stored for up to 30 days. During this period, you have the opportunity to recover them. This feature can be a lifesaver if ransomware overwrites your files. Just go into the trash, find the files you need to recover, and restore them to their original locations. Taking these steps will considerably boost the security of your Google Drive and ensure that you have the necessary tools to combat ransomware. Enabling two-step verification is like locking the front door of your house. It's a must-do for all your accounts. Utilizing the version history and trash features provides you with a safety net and recovery plan for your important documents. By following this guide, you're making a proactive choice to protect your digital assets and peace of mind. Remember, when it comes to cybersecurity, a little diligence goes a long way. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.